Hey, what's up, design enthusiasts? Welcome to a crash course on the fundamentals that shape the digital world around us. If you've ever opened an app and thought, wow, this looks amazing, like it was crafted by digital artists, or, why is this so confusing? Why can't I find what I'm looking for? You've already tasted the power of UI and UX design, whether you realized it or not. These two elements are the invisible hand guiding our interactions with technology. Today I'm breaking down the absolute basics you need to know as a design student, or anyone curious about how digital products are brought to life. We'll explore the core concepts that separate a good design from a truly exceptional one. Quick, clear, and straight to the point. No fluff, just the essential knowledge to get you started. Let's start with UI. That's user interface. It's the first thing that grabs your attention when you interact with any digital product. Think of UI as the clothes your app or website wears. It's the visual presentation, the aesthetic appeal that draws users in. It's the colors, the fonts, the buttons, the icons, the layout, every single thing you see and touch on a screen. It's about creating a visually pleasing and intuitive experience. A great UI isn't just pretty for the sake of it. It's not just about making something look good. It's about making it functional and effective. It makes your app look clean and professional, building trust and credibility with your users. Helps users find what they need fast, without any unnecessary clicks or confusion, and works smoothly across phones, tablets, or PCs. A well-designed UI adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions, providing a consistent experience across all devices. When your design is clean, people trust your app more. They feel more comfortable sharing their information and making transactions. Remember, UI is all about how it looks. It's the first impression, the visual language that communicates your brand and values. Now on to UX, user experience. This is where the real magic happens, the behind-the-scenes work that determines how users feel when interacting with your product. If UI is the outfit, UX is how comfortable those clothes feel. It's about the overall experience, the ease of use, and the satisfaction users derive from interacting with your product. It's about the path users take, the journey they embark on when using your app or website. How easy it is to find stuff, how quickly they can accomplish their goals, and how enjoyable the process is. And whether the whole thing just makes sense. Does the app flow logically? Is the interface intuitive? A great UX means users are happy, satisfied, and feel like their needs are being met. They come back more often, becoming loyal customers who advocate for your brand. And they don't get lost or frustrated along the way. A seamless UX guides users effortlessly towards their desired outcome. It even saves their time, allowing them to accomplish tasks quickly and efficiently, and reduces those annoying errors that make people rage quit. Nobody wants to deal with a buggy or unreliable app. UX equals sign how it works and feels. It's the sum of all the interactions a user has with your product. But before you get lost in colorful buttons and smooth flows, you need a plan. You need a solid foundation to build upon. That's where wireframes come in. These are the unsung heroes of the design process. Imagine drawing a quick sketch of your app on the back of a notebook, a rough outline of the key elements. Just boxes for buttons, menus, and images. Think of it as the skeleton of your app or website. No colors, no fancy fonts, just structure. Just the bare essentials to define the layout and functionality. Wireframes are fast, cheap, and super easy to change. They allow you to quickly iterate on your ideas without investing a lot of time and resources. They're awesome for testing ideas, validating assumptions, and identifying potential usability issues early on, getting early feedback from users and stakeholders, ensuring that your design meets their needs and expectations, and making sure everyone, from designers to developers, product managers to marketing teams, is on the same page before you dive into the details. It's about creating a shared understanding of the project goals and objectives. So here's a quick cheat sheet for you. A simple way to remember the key differences between UI, UX, and wireframes. UI is the visual design. The look, the aesthetics, the overall visual appeal of your product. And you'll use tools like Figma or Sketch to bring your UI designs to life. UX is all about experience, the feel and flow, the overall usability and satisfaction of your product. Using research, testing, and wireframing to understand your users and create a product that meets their needs. And wireframes, they're your blueprint, the foundation upon which you build your UI and UX. Built with pencil, Figma, or Balsamic, these simple sketches help you plan the structure and functionality of your product. If you remember nothing else, remember this. UI is how it looks, the visual presentation that grabs users' attention. UX is how it works and feels, the overall experience that determines user satisfaction, and wireframes are your starting point, the essential first step in the design process. Nail these three, and you're already way ahead of the game. You'll be well on your way to creating amazing digital experiences. Thanks for watching. Go design something awesome. The world needs your creativity and innovation.